So my dear friend, now we are going to see about something like what your friend just a default parameters. What you mean by the default parameters? Very simple. Process of defining the formal parameter with some values. Process of defining the formal parameter with some values. You please kindly notice that you will be getting more clarity on this. So guys, I am defining one function. The function name is what your friend just a my add. I am taking like this. But here I'm writing x comma y comma z. But in fact, this x comma y comma z also known as what? X, y, z are what? Formal parameters only. Formal. Yes, friend, just a formal parameters. What is the formal parameters? The parameters which are declared in the function definition. Sir, what is the default parameter? Yes, default parameters is the process of passing the default parameter is a process of defining the formal parameters, defining the formal parameter with some value, This is what default parameters. Default parameters is the process of defining the formal parameters with some value, right? But sir, how they are going to be work? Yes, let me show you, my dear friend. What I am writing is, sir, x equal to x plus y plus z. Sir, finally I want to display what your friend just a sum is. I want to display the value of s. So ladies and gentlemen, so just as I said, you want to define the function. Until unless you call the function, it won't be executed. You guys already aware of it. But sir, I want to call that function my add function. But wantonly I'm passing 50, 60, 40, 50, 60, 40. We are giving something like we are giving 40, 50, 60. No matter whatever the order you want, you can pass it. So just this is what your friend ultimately, now this x, that's 40 is taken with what your friend x, 50 is taken into the variable y, and just a 60 is taken into the variable z. Now the default values are automatically replaced with the actual arguments. Now 40 is taken into the x, 50 is taken into the y, and 60 is taken into the variable z. Yes, the default parameters are automatically replaced with the actual arguments. Let me run this, my dear friend. Let me run this particular piece of code. So just what your friend 40 plus 50, then just what plus 60, that result will be getting that. Then go to what your friend run menu and click on run module. So now you can see that you are getting 150. Sir, what is the use of this default parameter? Yes. Sir, just default parameters always takes place whenever we fail to pass the sufficient parameters. Assume it. Ladies and gentlemen, I am passing 50 and 60. Guys, in the second time, by the time of calling this my_add function, second time I'm passing the what your friend first parameter, that is what x is got replaced with what your friend 50, and just y is got replaced with what your friend just y value is got replaced with what your friend 60. Then 50 is taken into the x and 60 is taken into the y, and but we didn't pass the third parameter, right? Then this third parameter value is automatically taken into the z, taken from the z. What is that now? Just 50 plus 60 plus what your friend 30. Okay, 50 plus 60, 110 plus 140, you will be getting what now? When you run this one, you will be getting what your friend this value. So just here the default parameters will takes place whenever we fail to pass the parameter, whenever we face a value, whenever we fail to pass the value to that parameter. Again, notice it, my dear friend. I am calling the my_add. I'm passing only what your friend. I'm passing only 50. No issue. Then 50 only taken into what your friend x. But do I pass any value to the y? No. Y value, what value will be taken? Then 20 will be taken. What value taken for the z? 30 is taken. So 30 plus what your friend 20, 50, what your friend just 50 plus 50, you will be getting what your friend 100. Then you will be getting like this, man. So just now even I can call this my_add function without passing any parameter, no issue. No issue. At the time automatically what is happened now, that what your friend 10 is taken into, the default parameters will be taken place. So now just I hope you guys are understood that 10 is taken into what your friend x, y 20 from just what your friend y 20, 30 from z. Like this is working. Let me run this, my dear friend. So what is the default parameters? Very simple, gentlemen. Default parameter is a process of defining the formal parameters. It's a process of defining the formal parameter with some value. Answer: the default parameters are automatically replaced with what your friend actual parameter. But when the default parameter will be taken place whenever we fail to pass the values to the default parameters. So whenever we fail to pass the values to the default parameter, in the last scenario, you can see that by the time of calling the myAdd, I'm not passing any arguments to the first parameter, then default parameter will be taken. I'm not passing any value to the second parameter, then default parameter will be taken place. So here for third parameter also, I'm not passing any value, then default parameter will be taken place. So the default parameter will takes place whenever we fail to pass the values to the default parameters. So ladies and gentlemen, even we can say if any default parameters are existed, we can use those default parameters also optional parameters. But optional parameters means those values will be taken place. Those values will be taken place. Please kindly notice that. So just this is a way. Let me run this. I hope now you got the point about what is a default parameter. Very simple, ladies and gentlemen. Process of defining the formal parameters with some value. The default parameters are automatically replaced by the actual parameters if we pass. By chance, if we fail to pass the values to the default parameters, then default parameters. See, by the time of calling the function, see if we fail to pass the values to the parameter, if we fail to pass the values to the function, then default parameters will be taken place. Then default parameters will be taken place. I hope now you got the point. Now what is default parameters? And here and there already we have seen in some applications, right? So now this is what exact the default parameter, right? Yes, that's it, my dear.